You don't need a UK number or card to verify your identity or withdraw your money from TikTok. You can use your local ID card to verify your identity on international TikTok. My name is Jovita Ume, and in this video, I am going to show you how to apply for TikTok monetization, set up your payments, and verify your identity. I will also show you how to get a free UK or US bank account details that you can use to withdraw your money online. If you are using local TikTok, you can use your local bank details to withdraw from there. But if you are using an international TikTok account, you will need an international bank account details. So guys, to set up payments and withdraw your TikTok earnings, you will need an international bank account. I will be using a free UK or US bank account details from the Grey app. It's free, and that is what people are using to withdraw their TikTok money. Now to get it, you need to make use of Grey app. This is what the app looks like. If you've not created a Grey account before, or if you missed our last class, I already made a full video on how to create Grey account and generate a free international bank details, either US or UK, on that Grey app. Check the video card that just appeared at the top right of your screen to watch it now, or later you check the description box. I will link it there. After watching the video, go ahead and create your Grey account and generate your free UK or US bank details. Please copy or write out the bank account details because you will be needing it for this payment setup and identity verification process. So to verify your identity and set up payment, first log into your TikTok and go to your profile. Please guys, like and share this video to help the algorithm push out the video to people finding it difficult to withdraw their money online. Thank you. So log into your TikTok account and click on your profile like so. It's going to take you to your profile interface. You can either click on this TikTok studio here. It will take you to the TikTok studio interface, or click on this three dash at the top right. It's going to bring out this TikTok studio, balance, my QR code, settings and privacy. Click on TikTok studio and it will take you to the studio proper. We have tools, live, analytics, post views, net followers, likes. Come down to this monetization. Under monetization program, we have creators marketplace, subscriptions, life reward. Scroll to this creator rewards program. So to apply for TikTok monetization, click on the creator rewards program. It's going to load for some time and take you to the next step. Here it says you are eligible to join creator rewards program. Mind you, if you have not reached your requirement, you can't apply to join. The first one says collect rewards for your 1-minute videos. Second one, more rewards for quality content and monetize with other top creators. Down here it says you are eligible to join. If you're not eligible, they won't stick the 3 requirements for you. Now these are the 3 requirements for you to apply for TikTok monetization. You must be 18 years old. And thirdly, you must have at least 100,000 video views in the last 30 days. Normally, once you reach the requirements, they will send you this message in your system notification here saying you have unlocked new benefits. But if they didn't send it, just follow the steps I'm sharing with you guys. So scroll down and click on this join. It will load and take you to this application in review. We are reviewing your application and we will notify you of the result within 7 days. It wasn't like this when I monetized my first TikTok account. I applied and they approved it after some time. But now they started reviewing people's accounts proper. The shocking thing is that it didn't even take 7 days. I applied and the next morning they sent me this message saying that they've accepted me into the creator rewards program. So what you just need to do is, after applying, be checking this system notification. Once you see this message, click on it. It will load and bring out this more information needed for rewards payout. The creator rewards program just got better. Click on got it and they will bring out verify identity. This is the point where you verify your identity. So click on the verify identity. If this is what you are seeing, still click on the verify. After clicking, it's going to load for some time and take you to this select ID. Under it, it says issuing country/region. Mine is showing United Kingdom. If yours is US TikTok, you will see United States. Some are changing their own to Nigeria. Like this United Kingdom, they will click on it and switch it to their own country. Let's say you are in Nigeria. Some people are switching their own from United Kingdom to Nigeria. But I did not change my own and it has not affected me since then. So you can click on the United Kingdom and select Nigeria or your preferred country. it won't affect you too because people that switched their own to Nigeria, it didn't affect their account. But like I said, I did not change mine. I left it like that. So next is ID type. You can either use ID card or driver's license or passport. TikTok is recommending ID card, but you can still try with your driver's license or passport. If you use your local ID card like that, don't be scared. Nigerians, you can use your NIN or voter's card. After selecting ID card, come down here and click next. It's going to load for some time and bring out this start verification. Please read and follow the instructions very well so you don't make mistake here. It's saying you should make sure your ID is clear enough. Click start. It will bring out this choose how to proceed. The first one is either you continue on this device if you have your voter's card or NIN or any ID card with you to snap immediately, or if you have the image of your ID card already in your gallery, then select upload file. I didn't have my ID card on my gallery, so I selected the continue on this device. It will load and bring out this capture the photo side. Here, just bring close the front of your ID card like so. After capturing the front, you flip to the back side of your ID card. Move closer and make sure to capture every angle. It will load and start uploading. Here it says, please do not close your browser. This may take a moment. So wait for some time while it loads. It will bring out taking your ID and boom, your ID has been uploaded as you can see. If you zoom it, you will notice they have ticked the submit identity information. This simply means that you have successfully submitted your ID, but it's under review. The second one says information under review. It usually takes 3 business days. After reviewing, they will check the circle. Please, if you are using NIN, use the card NIN, not the paper one. For those that might ask, yes, I used the same ID card to verify my 2 UK TikTok account. So guys, after they are done reviewing your ID card information, they will send you an email just as they said up here. You can read it. Click on this got it down here. It will load and take you to this. Please be checking your email for the verification feedback. I got their feedback that my identity has been successfully verified after 15 minutes or thereabout. Yours might differ. It might take less or more time. It depends. Also, check your system notification. As you can see, they notified me there too. And they have checked the 3 circles just like so. So guys, this is how to verify your identity on international TikTok using your local ID card. Next is to set up payment method using the free international bank details I was telling you guys earlier. It's still the same process. From your profile to TikTok Studio, locate Creator Rewards program and it will bring out this asking you to update your payout information. Click on this update. If this is what you are seeing, click on this setup here. After clicking, it's going to load for some time and bring out this. Go ahead and click on payment method. It will load again and take you to this add payout method. The first thing there is country/region, United Kingdom. That's because this is a UK TikTok account. If yours is US, they will bring out United States there for you. Next is choose payout method. First option is PayPal. Second option is bank transfer. I selected bank transfer. It will load for some time and bring out this link bank transfer. Remember the gray bank account details I asked you to write out earlier. Bring it now and start filling this. If you have not created yours, check out the video card that just appeared at the top right of your screen, or check the description box now for the video on how to create gray account and generate free international bank details. Also, please, I attached my referral link to the description box. Use it to create your gray account. Thank you. Use CRZTBA as your referral code when you are creating yours. So after creating, come to this first name and input your gray bank account name exactly the way it appears there, please. You can copy and paste it here. First name and last name. Sort code is also there. Copy your sort code from your gray account and paste it here. Type in the bank account number too and your email address. Click on this set as primary account. They automatically turned mine on. After that, click on submit. It will load for some time and bring out this manage and bank transfer. Click on this done here. It will take you to this payout setup and down here it says completed. If this helped you, please like, share and subscribe for more tutorials like this. Now go set up your TikTok payment and start earning. If you have any question, I will be in the comment section to answer you. I am rooting for you. Thanks so much for watching till now. I will see you in my next one. Bye.